Ward family. Listen, guys, let's get active. Please go ahead and subscribe to this channel. Hit that bell for posts and notifications. And what else, babe?
Make sure you like, share, comment below. Let us know how you loving this family and what do you want to see in our channel.
All right, now we got one more thing before we get into the video. What's that, babe?
Message of the day.
Let's get it, y'all. Let's go.
All right, so the message of the day today is from your girl, MYMY. I gotta get used to this, y'all. So, message of the day is to trust the process. I know sometimes things may seem like they're overbearing or that it's just too much for us to handle and we feel like we never know what's going on and what's our next step. But I'm just telling you to trust the process. God's promise is never broken. So trust his process and trust his plan. Now, let's get right into this video, okay? You ready, babe? Alright, y'all. So, today we are doing the Not My Hands challenge. So, obviously, these are not my hands. These are Tess' hands. Babe. Spirit fingers! So, he is going to be my hands today. So, we have some food here. We have some Chipotle and we have some Five Guys fries. We have some steak and shake. So we're going to get right into this video. So comment below. Make sure you comment below. What's your favorite video from us? Comment below what more content you want to see. All of that. So let's get right into it. Let's see. I think I want some Chipotle first. Not even mixing it up. Oh my gosh. What's this heck? No! Man, you gotta be better than this. It's like on my face. Oh my gosh, it's on the shirt too. That actually was good. I want some more. Oh my gosh. Okay, right here. Okay. Damn. Okay, wait. Oh my god. Alright. Oh my gosh. Okay, y'all, I really don't mess with hot dogs like that, so this is like weird. What the heck? Oh my gosh. Oh heck. Ugh. Okay. Oh my gosh. It's salty. What the heck? Oh god. Dang. I can't eat fast enough. My jaw's hurting. What? Oh no. No. I need some of this. Oh my gosh. Oh man. It's like oniony. It's like on my shirt. Oh my gosh. No! You need to put something else on there. Oh, I can't eat just guacamole by itself. That's nasty. Damn! Oh my gosh. It's like everywhere. What the heck? Ugh. It was just too much guacamole. Babe, it has some chips and dip. is like everywhere. What the heck? That's enough dip. I need to put some on. Bad! No! Ew, not licking your finger! No! I'm not licking your freaking finger. That is so nasty. Oh my gosh. Oh, I'm ready. You ready? Oh, I'm so hungry.
All right. You don't supposed to talk.
Oh, yeah.
You don't supposed to stop talking. Stop talking. Oops, I just showed you guys my hand. All right, guys, so it's my turn. It seems to be. What is all this about? All right, so I definitely wasn't feeling this. I don't know if my arms can reach the food. Yo, yes they can. Let's do it. Let's see what this mini Krabby Patty is about. It's my favorite. All right. Let me do my food. Pickle. Pickle. It's got a little chip and cheese action. Got a little chip and cheese action. Yeah, there you go. There you go. You got it. You got it. There you go. Okay, come on, like. You gotta be like me. I can't drink it. There ain't no straw in there. That's a spoon. There's a straw to my right. No. Pick that. Some of that sauce over there. Hey, give me some sauce first. Give me some of that sauce. It's good. You gotta start eating. Right here. Oh. Give me some of those fries. Give me some fries up in that sauce. Hold on. Here we go. Give me fries up in that sauce. Yummy, yummy, my tummy. Yeah. I can do this. I can do this all day. Yummy, yummy. All right, guys, go ahead, subscribe, hit that bell for notifications. But most notifications. Listen, family, we love you. We thank you for tuning in to this channel. Listen, please comment, like, share, subscribe,
and hit the bell.
Hit the bell, man.
Notifications, okay?
We love y'all. Thank you for tuning in. Your family. We out. Peace.